Here I am at Ace Nursery in Yulee. This is some beautiful pots. And don't count out the Ace. They have a full nursery and garden center. Store hours. Fishing gear. That's so pretty. So any seeds you're looking for, can't find in the regular store, sold out. They still have a good selection. Ooh. Oh, now that's pretty. I wouldn't dare put it in the yard though, but that's pretty. Gorgeous. Look at some of these prices. I'm gonna say, no ma'am if that's the price. Oh wow. Now that's 14. So that's fair. I always wanted one of these, but I'm not paying $10. I'm still looking for some at a $4 price point. Hope you can hear me okay. That's a nice price. Let's see what they have as far as this. Yeah, that's a little bit expensive. But people are buying it. Yeah, that's way expensive. Let's see what's outside here. pretty roses, pretty colors. Knockouts pretty much last forever, take care of themselves. All you got to do is prune them every now and then for permanent landscaping. In Florida, at least. These are pretty. Okay, now we're to the, oh, that sounds nice. Blew my mind mix. That's pretty. Oh, prices $5.39. Lantanas. These are good pollinators. They're kind of expensive. Need to find some seeds. Oh, that's pretty. Nope. Find that at a yard sale or Goodwill for $2. That's pretty. Oh, that's so gorgeous. They almost look fake. Oh, those are so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Help them out here. Oh, that's pretty heavy. We got some deer sitting here. I'm looking for food. I don't see any food. Jaguar series. Bengal mix. These are all $6. That's pretty expensive, pretty pricey. Guess I will start my flowers early. So here's the food that they have. Regular heirloom tomatoes. These are pretty big and they're $4.99, I believe. Yep, $4.99. Oh, there it is. 4-inch, 4-pack. So they're not expensive. 4-inch veggies, $2.99. 4-pack veggies, $2.49, and 1-gallon veggies, $3.99. So that's not bad at all. Red night peppers. Those look good. I may have to take me home a 4-pack. Sweet banana. California wonderful. Early summer. Yeah, I can take me home a couple of packs of these because I have not started pepper seeds and these look pretty healthy. So yeah, I might grab a few. Decent price, pretty healthy. Matures in 50 and 60 days. Oh, that's good. Cucumbers. Oh, they got the Crenshaw melons. The Crenshaw melon. What's the maturity on these? Let's see. 100 days. That's a lot. Surplus cucumber. 4-pack of marigolds, $2.99. That's not bad. I may grab some of those. Not bad at all. So do not count out Ace Hardware. Mr. Stripey tomatoes. Golden Jubilee tomatoes. Cherokee purple. La Romas. Rutgers Select. Sweet 100s. 64 days. Okay, great. Golden Jubilees. Chocolate sprinkles. Yellow pear. Better Boys. Oh, here's the mortgage lifter that I'm waiting on the seeds for. So if my seeds do not come up, I'll just get one. Oh, wow. Tomatoes with tomatoes already on them. Oh, wow. Nice. So I like this color of marigolds. Nice blueberry bushes. Self-pollinating blueberries. No tag. $15. They look pretty healthy too. Got the gardenias. What's this? Japanese blueberry, low maintenance. Silver carpet lamb's ear. That's pretty. There's my pineapple hibiscus, so pretty. 20 bucks. Let's take a look at the fruit trees. Pretty big lemon and lime trees. What prices? Orange. Okay, so we have $45.99. Pretty decent sized tree for that price. $79.99. For those of you who are into that, that'll be a good garden statue. And that, those little bird baths are only $30. There's no price on him that I can see. There's no price on that one. That owl pot is cute. Gonna have to find a good place to get the statues, like reasonably, other than Goodwill or Home Goods and things like that, and the thrift store when you can find them. I'll be on the hunt for you guys. So here's the Ace Hardware. Don't count them out. Check them out. Look at the pretty pink hibiscus. And the pretty red hibiscus. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Hibiscus is a great low maintenance flower. Permanent landscape. And awesome pollinator. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, look at those. Oh, I'm gonna get a picture of that for the thumbnail. So do not count out Ace Hardware. $9.99. I really want these. $19.99. But they have always been expensive. Always. Another good low maintenance permanent landscape is the bulbs. They pop up in the spring. Just get some that show for a long time. And not for, like a month. Make sure they're going to show for about 90 days or more through the whole season. But if you find a good bulb, it'll come back every single year. They have the back end. I'm not sure if they're selling anything back here. But they have the pretty pots. The light's not good because I'm not. Oh, that's pretty for a door front. If you have a grand entrance door front. So, yes, this is Ace. I'm going to go ahead and make my purchases, and then I'll show you my haul. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Have a great day. Don't count out the Ace Hardware.